Hey, so here's ADP Mobile Solutions app. It's one of the top HR apps, basically where you can see your payroll, you can see your payments, net, gross, how many hours you worked, and all of that. So it's a pretty useful app for like employees and managers if your company is using ADP software. So just use Face ID or Touch ID to install this app, and then you'll be able to use it. So that's the idea. So easy and convenient way to access payroll, all the features. For your best experience, use iPhone 7 or later. View pay and W2 statements, view and request time off, punch in out, track time and attendance, view pay card accounts, contact colleagues. So that's for employees. For managers, you can approve time cards, approve time off, view team calendars. Let's see all of that. So 1 million ratings, 4.7 out of 5 average rating. So that's pretty insane. So I think one of the most popular HR apps. And then you can just access it. And then you can just get started or sign in with your user ID. And then you should just follow this process. And then just create your name and email and follow the instructions. So there you have it. Just an introduction. I will create probably another video separately about starting with account.